The circle at the edge of the world, he's hoping, wondering, thinking back from the story he's heard of what he's gonna see. There in the middle of the circle it lies, heaven, help me. And all could see by the shine in his eyes, the answer had been found. Back with the people in the circle he stands, giving, feeling, with just one touch of a strong ground.